In this video, I will show you how to fix if Monopoly Go is not loading. So if you're trying to play Monopoly Go and you'll get in an error message which is similar to this, then follow along with me for some steps to resolve this problem. So the first thing you're going to actually want to try is just restarting your device. So if you hold down the power button on your device and just go ahead and restart your device and then try and launch Monopoly Go to see if that does resolve your problem. So if that didn't work for you, another thing I would recommend doing is before you go ahead and launch Monopoly Go, if you press the icon down in the bottom left hand corner, which is normally 3 vertical lines, you want to press onto this and basically swipe up to close any apps you're not currently using, and then go ahead and relaunch Monopoly Go. And hopefully this should fix this issue. Another thing that can cause this error to occur is if Monopoly Go is out of date. So to check that you've got the most up-to-date version of Monopoly Go, what you're going to want to do is open up the Play Store on Android or the iTunes Store if you're using an iPhone. Go ahead and search for Monopoly Go, and basically if there's any updates available, then it's going to say update. You can see on mine it says play, so we know we're up to date, but sometimes it doesn't automatically update. So you want to come across and do this manually to see if that does resolve this problem. And the final fix I would recommend is to clear the app cache, because sometimes having a lot of local files can cause errors to occur. To do this, go ahead and search for the Monopoly Go app on your device, and what you want to do is long hold and press onto the app, and then press onto app info. Now it's going to take you across to a screen like this. What you're going to want to do from here is just scroll down until you get to the storage section, press onto storage, and at the bottom you're going to see an option to clear the cache. So what you want to do is press on to clear cache, and once you've done that, go ahead, restart your device, load up Monopoly Go, and that should fix the problem. So that's a few things you can try if Monopoly Go is not loading for you. I hope this tutorial did help you out, and if it did, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.